Today, children, I will continue with Act 1, Scene 2. In the previous part, we came to know how Nerissa consoles Portia, who is sad and upset because of the lottery system planned by her father. But Nerissa consoles her by saying that whatever her father had planned for her was for her good only, and that a person who truly loves Portia will only choose the right casket. Then after that, Nerissa starts naming the suitors one by one and Portia describes them. So in the previous part, we already came to know about three suitors. We came to know Portia's opinion about the three suitors. The first was the Prince of Naples. The second was the ruler of Palatine, and then the third was the French lord. Now today we will start with the fourth suitor. Nerissa, what say you then to Falconbridge, the young baron of England? So here the fourth suitor named by Nerissa is the Falconbridge, who is the young baron. Baron is a title given to a ruler of England. Portia, you know I say nothing to him, for he understands not me, nor I him. So Portia says that that Nerissa knew very well that Portia did not say anything to him. Why did she not say anything to him? Because he did not understand her and Portia did not understand him. So that means both of them did not understand each other. He had neither Latin, French nor Italian. And what is the reason why they could not talk with each other, why they were not conversing with each other? Because this Baron of England, he did not know Latin, French or Italian, the languages which Portia knew. And you will come into the court and swear that I have a poor pennyworth in the English. And Portia was not very good in English. She had a poor pennyworth. Poor pennyworth means she had very little knowledge about English. So she could not talk to the Baron of England in English. So both of them could not converse because they did not know each other's language. He is a proper man's picture. He is a proper man's picture means he has a handsome appearance. The Baron was a very handsome to look at. But alas, who can converse with a dumb show? So although he was a handsome man, but who can converse with a dumb show? Dumb show means a person without words. So it was useless. Even though the Baron was handsome, Portia could not talk to him because he did not know her language. How oddly he is suited, and at the same time he was very oddly, means strangely suited. Suited means dressed. He was wearing very strange dress also. I think he bought his doublet in Italy, his round horse in France, his bonnet in Germany, and his behavior everywhere. So he was wearing a strange dress. He was strangely dressed also, and it seemed as if he had bought his doublet. Doublet means his jacket from Italy. His round horse. Round horse means his trousers, the trousers, breeches that he was wearing. It was from France. His bonnet in Germany. Bonnet means hat. His hat was from Germany, and his behavior everywhere. And he had a behavior which belonged to different places. So he was strangely attired also, strangely dressed also. Nerissa, what think you of the Scottish lord, his neighbor? Now next, the fifth suitor that Nerissa mentions is about the Scottish lord, that is his neighbor. His neighbor means Scotland is the neighboring country of England. Portia, that he hath a neighborly charity in him. So Portia says, now describes the Scottish lord, and she says that he has a neighborly charity. Charity here means kindness. He had kindness towards his neighbor. For he borrowed a box of the year of the Englishman, and swore he would pay him again when he was able. Because Portia says that he borrowed. Borrowed means he took a box of the year. Box of the year means he took a blow on his ear from the Englishman. So that means the Englishman had struck the Scottish lord on the ear. And the Scottish lord had swore that he would pay him. Pay him means he would return that blow again when he was able. Now here all these suitors had gathered in Portia's house. They were all there together in Portia's house, and maybe something unpleasant must have happened between the Scottish lord and the young Baron of England. And out of anger, the Baron of England must have hit the Scottish lord on the ear. So that is why, but the Scottish lord is such a kind man that he does not return the blow, and he says that he will return it later on. I think the Frenchman became his surety and sealed under for another. And then he says, Portia says, that the Frenchman, that is the French lord who had come there as a suitor, he became his surety. He became his surety means he took the guarantee. The Frenchman took the guarantee and sealed under for another. Sealed means he signed for the Scottish lord that he would take revenge, or that he would return the blow to the Englishman later on. Nerissa, how like you the young German, the Duke of Saxony's nephew? Now Nerissa wants to know Portia's opinion about the sixth suitor, who is a young German, the Duke of Saxony's nephew. Portia, very wildly in the morning when he is sober. So Portia says that this young German, he behaved very badly. Wildly means badly. He behaved very badly in the morning when he is sober. Sober means not drunk. Now this young German, he used to drink a lot. He was a drunkard. And Portia says that he behaved badly in the morning when he is not drunk, and most wildly in the afternoon when he is drunk. And in the afternoon when he used to drink a lot, he behaved very badly. When he is best, he is a little worse than a man, and when he is worst, he is little better than a beast. So here Portia says that when he is best, when he behaved in his best way, then also he was a little worse than a man. Then also his behavior was not up to the mark. And when he is worst, when this German used to behave badly, then he was a little better than a beast, than an animal. So he had very bad behavior, very bad manners, and he behaved so badly that Portia did not like him at all. And the worst fall that ever fell, I hope I shall make shift to go without him. And here Portia says that, and the worst fall, here it means, fall means thing, that ever fell. Fell means happen. So Portia says that if the worst thing was to happen, that is, if this German chose the right casket, that was the worst thing that was going to happen for Portia, that the German will, if the German will choose the right casket, then she hoped I shall make shift to go without him. Then she will definitely not accept him and reject him, because she did not like his behavior. Nerissa, If he should offer to choose and choose the right casket, you should refuse to perform your father's will if you should refuse to accept him. So Nerissa says that if he should offer here means decide. If this young German who is a drunkard, if he chooses the right casket, and then if Portia refuses to accept him, then it will be refusing to abide by her father's last wish, that is, marry the person who chooses the right casket. So Nerissa is trying to say that even if this drunkard, this young German, chose the right casket, then Portia will have to accept him as her husband. Otherwise, she will be going against her father's wish. Portia: therefore, for fear of the worst, I pray thee, set a deep glass of Rhenish wine on the contrary casket. Now, Portia somehow wants to get rid of that young German. She doesn't want him to choose the right casket. So she has an idea. And what is that? For fear of the worst. Fear of the worst means to avoid that situation. That is, to avoid the young German from choosing the right casket. What does she plan? She plans to set a deep glass of Rhenish wine on the contrary casket. Deep glass, deep here means large, and contrary casket, contrary means wrong. So she plans to distract the young German's attention, to tempt him by placing a large glass of Rhenish wine. Rhenish wine is a good wine, very good white wine, expensive wine it is. So she plans to keep a large glass of Rhenish wine on the wrong casket and tempt the young German. For if the devil be within and that temptation without, I know he will choose it. Because Portia knows that if the devil be within, that means if the young German has that temptation and he wants that large glass of wine, then if that temptation is there, then he will definitely choose the wrong casket in order to get the glass of wine kept on that. I will do anything, Nerissa. Here I will be married to a sponge. And then Portia says that she will do anything. Ere means before, and sponge means drunkard. Sponge means drunkard. So finally Portia says that she will do anything before she will be married to a sponge, to a drunkard. That means she will definitely not marry a drunkard. So this much for today, children. Revise the portion that I have taught today.